We visited Wheatland Tube and found out how cool manufacturing is.
Wheatland Tube has been operating since 1877. Here are some cool facts you may not know. They keep 2 hours of backup steel in case anything goes wrong. They're the only steel mill that uses a natural gas-powered continuous weld furnace. They are the largest independent manufacturer in North America, and all of their products are American.
And what do you do like day to day?
That changes every day. I handle the shipping departments at the Wheatland facility and at the Warren facility. We have a Warren, Ohio plant as well.
The skills most important for my job is you have to be a good communicator. You have to be a good communicator at everything, but certainly down here because there's risks. And you girls saw some of the risks, and you have to be a good communicator. You have to be a clear communicator. You have to be able to give somebody a directive.
My job title is I'm a tester operator, and what I do is I move water through the pipe so it shows any defects in the pipe.
When I started as a college help here, they asked me to work, and it's led to a lot of opportunities. I've become an electrician and a electrical tech and electrical draftsman, and then the safety representative.
There are a lot of different manufacturing positions. And if you have an idea of a manufacturing that you want to do, so this is a manufacturing facility, but when you consider we have certified electricians, we have certified welders, we have fabricators, we have draftsmen. So those are all trades within the manufacturing scope. So what I would say is don't turn a position down because it may not be the job that you want to get to. The job that you want to get to may exist in the job that you're taking.
We never knew there were so many cool jobs in manufacturing.